Hey, how's it going? I'm your host, Eric. In today's video, we're going to be putting the cold air intake on the Hellcat, and the purpose is to wake the supercharger noise up. It's going to, from what I hear, make it about 3 times louder than the stock version. So I'm really excited for this, and I'm actually at my buddy's house right now. If you want to follow him on YouTube, his name is Stay on the Gas. Juan is an awesome guy. He makes excellent automotive content, and if you enjoy my channel, you're for surely going to enjoy his. So go check him out and give him a subscription if you'd like. So I've heard different things. I've heard B Woody makes a pretty awesome sound too. Again, I hear that the Dodge intake is actually the best for performance-wise, but you know, I figure we can swap this at the blink of an eye, really. A little before and after of the supercharger noise. You know, I know there's tons of videos of this already on the internet, but this will be our version, and hopefully you just enjoy our style. But realistically speaking, again, if you're looking how to install this thing, we're going to give you some tips and we're going to show you what we do today. But again, there's plenty of videos out there if this doesn't cut it for you, so just keep that in mind and hopefully you enjoy.
Yeah, man.
It's perfect.
It is.
It's
it
actually
woke
not too
up.
loud either.
Yeah. A carbon fiber pipe, so this thing is, how much do you think that is, like 6 inches? Yeah, so it's pretty beefy. Brings the couplers, the clamps. You said this is a rain guard?
Yeah,
So
to the top once it's done.
yeah, it brings the filter over there. It's an S&B filter, and then it brings the filter socks. So we're gonna get installing this. It doesn't look like it has much to it, really.
I think it's pretty simple.
It has a mass airflow sensor, and then this is probably like PCV stuff, right? I'm guessing.
I think so. I
Yeah.
think there's 2 things to unclip.
Yeah, I think it's just, yeah, that's the only 2 things on this pipe. So this one just unbolts, and then the other one should be good. There we go. There we go. So
Step 1.
step 1, and then now it's just about taking this off, getting the airbox off, and then I'm gonna go get a socket for that. We're going old school. They're using ratchets instead of power tools.
Hey man, old school's always best.
Yeah, I feel like you feel like you're actually working on a car more.
Power tools definitely make things a lot easier.
Yeah, it does, and faster. So there we go. There we go. All right. I think you're right.
I know that piece on the chargers gives people a lot of trouble and they end up breaking them on accident.
This?
Yeah.
Packed it tight.
It's tight.
All right. I mean,
Seriously, actual size. Remember, always wear protection, okay?
exactly.
Juan likes certain installs more than others.
Hey, I have a kid. I don't know how to do this.
Yeah, you never learned this in high school.
This is a very tight fit, dude. Which, I mean, I guess it's good.
Yeah, I guess it's better than being loosey-goosey.
Oh, the whole grommet went in. No, the whole thing comes off. See? Why'd it go on so easily? Alright. Just gonna push it through. Oh, I didn't.
Nice, nice, nice.
Oh, dude, we're good. One more ugga dugga.